Welcome to the best picks. The best heel spur brace is probably one of the most effective solutions for those suffering from heel spurs and plantar fasciitis. This video will dive deep into the world of heel spur braces, exploring their benefits, how they work, and what to look for when choosing the right one for you. We'll cover everything from the different types of braces available to the key features that make them effective in providing relief and promoting healing. Number 5. FlexAdapt Plantar Fasciitis Compression Socks, Gray, Medium. Are you suffering from arch and heel pain? These compression socks offer the support you need. The technology provides targeted support and compression to keep you active and pain-free. Make sure you get the perfect fit by checking the size chart. It's recommended to use your arch circumference for the best results. This will allow the socks to work effectively for you. These lightweight and breathable compression socks are designed for comfort. Whether you're active all day or wearing them at night, you'll feel the difference. Wake up feeling refreshed with less foot pain. The socks provide compression throughout your foot, improving circulation. This offers critical arch support to alleviate plantar fasciitis discomfort. You'll feel the difference immediately. These socks are highly recommended by repeat customers. They love the comfort and support. Plus, the variety of colors fits seamlessly into any wardrobe. What we like? This compression sock provides targeted arch support, which is crucial for alleviating plantar fasciitis discomfort. It's also designed for maximum comfort, whether you're active or resting. If you're looking for a sock that offers both support and comfort, and is highly recommended by other users, you should consider this one. What people say. They are thin and fit snugly but comfortably. After wearing these socks for a week, the pain was mostly gone. They help with the pain and I feel more secure. Number 4. TechWare Pro Ankle Brace Compression Sleeve. This compression sleeve provides strong compression for effective support. Be sure to refer to the size chart and take all 3 measurements to ensure the best fit. If you're between sizes, it's best to size up. This sleeve offers pain relief from various conditions like arthritis, sprains, and muscle fatigue. It's made from a slim, breathable, and moisture-wicking fabric, making it ideal for those seeking strong compression. The unique manufacturing process ensures a tight, comfortable fit around your tendons and muscles. This improves blood circulation and reduces inflammation, aiding in the treatment of edema, bunions, and bursitis while providing stability. You can wear this sleeve by itself or under or over your existing socks. It's designed to be adaptable to your needs and preferences. Stay comfortable all day and night during sports and fitness activities. Whether you're playing baseball, running, or cycling, this sleeve will stay in place. It's an excellent choice for dance, martial arts, or any athletic fitness activity. The toeless design adds to its versatility. This sleeve helps with standing and walking pain by supporting your heel and arch. The compression reduces inflammation and may help speed up your recovery. What we like? This sleeve offers strong compression in a thin, breathable design, providing pain relief and stability. It's versatile enough to be worn in various settings, and the no-slip fit ensures it stays in place during any activity. If you're seeking a reliable brace for sports or daily activities, this is the one for you. What people say. For starters, you might want to know when I took these off at the end of the day, they felt like avocado shell weight peeling off. So comfortable all day. As a rehab nurse, I never saw anything like these, but they totally worked. Even by the next day, my arch was still taut and no foot pain, and I could do laps around my apartment for steps on Apple Watch. Goes almost to the bottom of my toes and a bit up the ankle, not tight and no squeezing or swelling afterwards. True to size. I am excited about these. I was having trouble driving with arch pain, but these will help along with exercises. Buy with confidence. Very strong and comfortable. They help support my ankles and reduce the pain. Great for compression of your ankles. Can wear them when sitting around or when sleeping, not too tight but effective. Number 3. Plush Ankle Brace Compression Sleeve. This ankle brace provides effective relief for plantar fasciitis. It helps reduce foot and ankle pain from conditions like Achilles tendonitis and ankle sprains. It's perfect for both women and men. Designed for a comfortable fit, this brace delivers targeted compression. It provides stable support for ankle sprains, improving mobility and reducing swelling. You can adjust it to your desired level. This compression sleeve offers therapeutic pressure. It helps with ankle sprain relief and boosts circulation. It's ideal for Achilles tendonitis, workouts, or everyday use. Whether recovering from an injury or needing extra support, this wrap helps reduce pain and swelling. It also speeds up the recovery process. It provides the stability you need. The breathable fabric ensures all-day comfort while promoting healing. It's perfect for managing ankle sprain relief, Achilles tendon support, and improving blood circulation. It is also adjustable. Ideal for athletes, this brace offers support and stability during physical activity. The adjustable design also provides extra relief and comfort. It is designed to keep you moving. What we like. This ankle brace provides effective relief for both plantar fasciitis and ankle pain, with adjustable support for a comfortable fit. The breathable fabric ensures all-day comfort while promoting healing. If you have an active lifestyle and need support for your ankles, this is a great choice. What people say. Good compression socks, helps with foot pain. This worked well. They were hard to put on, but my feet felt refreshed and looked great. Well made, soft feel, supportive. Number 2. Fittest Pro 14-piece plantar fasciitis foot pain relief kit. Many compression sleeves offer little relief and can even cause blisters. This 14-piece kit provides consistent compression to alleviate arch and heel pain. It includes everything you need for effective plantar fasciitis support. Unlike cheaply made supports, this kit uses high-quality compression fabric and medical-grade silicone. These materials provide better heel protection and more effective pain relief. Studies show it works better than expensive orthotics. Traditional socks often slip and bunch up, causing discomfort. This ultralight brace is designed to fit comfortably under your socks. You can enjoy soothing compression while wearing your favorite shoes. This kit is the ideal solution for maintaining foot care and peak athletic performance. Whether you run, hike, or play sports, it provides strong ankle support and a full range of motion. It helps relieve pain during any activity. Fittest Pro believes no one should suffer from daily plantar fasciitis pain. This kit is designed to provide the relief you need. It's designed to help you get back to enjoying your life. What we like. This kit provides consistent compression, relieving arch and heel pain. It's made with high-quality materials designed to last. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution with multiple components to address plantar fasciitis, you should consider this kit. What people say. The one that slides over your foot and has a pad that covers your arches has really helped me. I'm wearing the black neoprene heel support over the arch pad support band. I already feel better, in under an hour. The pain has abated in my heels and arches about 70%. I'm moving around the apartment more comfortably. Circulation to my feet is great, my feet are warm, toes have nice color. I can wiggle my toes without wincing. Each seems to work for me and some work better than others. But the great part about this kit is you have the ability to try different things and see what works for you. Number 1. Modvel ankle brace socks for sprained ankle. Are you suffering from plantar fasciitis or Achilles tendonitis? This ankle brace is designed for speedy recovery. It helps reduce pain and swelling with calibrated compression. This ankle support provides comprehensive protection. Its stretchy knitted construction stabilizes your feet during various activities, minimizing the risk of injuries. This ankle compression sleeve is made with premium copper-infused fabric. It offers breathability and a lightweight feel. It keeps your feet feeling fresh and dry all day long. These ankle braces are available in 6 sizes, from small to 3XL. You can choose from 11 colors to match your sportswear and get exceptional support. Enhance your workout with this ankle brace. Whether you're running, playing basketball, or hiking, it's a reliable companion for any physically demanding activity. What we like. This brace is designed for accelerated recovery and advanced injury prevention, with copper-infused fabric for breathability. It's tailored for all ages and a range of activities. If you're looking for a brace that can help you recover quickly and prevent future injuries, you should consider this one. What people say. Provides excellent support for my heel spur. The brace is well designed and fits comfortably. It effectively reduces pain and allows for better mobility. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.